Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch again. Okay, in this video we have the new free play challenge. Okay, and this panda is the last free play, and now we reset it, and we have to draw another one. Is this guy? Okay, this guy is the frog face. Okay, so okay, if you all guys did not subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to get the notification when I upload a new video that is maybe important for you. So let's go to draw this frog, okay? This cute frog. So for the first is what you have to do. So this grid in order to easy for you to see the X position and Y position. Okay. So first of all, I have to draw its head. Okay, the frog head. Now I just comment, draw the head. Okay, now I just use the fill color with green. Okay, this green. And after that, I need a new lip to draw it. With the center of the screen is 200 with the 200, and the size is also the 200. Now let's end this with semicolon and run. Okay, this. Okay. And after this, we have to draw the mouse. Okay. Now draws mouse. Okay. I need the fill of the mouse is red. Okay. And after that, I need an ellipse. This ellipse, I go to position of x is 200, y also 200, and the size is only 150. Okay. So now let's run. Okay, this guy. Can you see it? Okay, another one. This is the frog, wait, the frog's mouth, but it is like a circle, right? So we don't want it. In order to do that, if you want it become the frog's mouth, you have another ellipse with another color to overlap it. Okay, I need the green. Okay, need a fill green and need an ellipse again. Okay, this ellipse should be start with a 200 of x and 180 of y, and the size the same, 150. So after that, it will be overlap on the red circle. So run it and you will see it. But the problem is you can see this is the stroke guy. We don't want the stroke, so we go up there, top of the code, and use no stroke block. Okay, reset and run. Okay, now we got the frog's mouth. Okay, so continue. What's next is we have to draw the eye of the frog. Okay, eye of the frog we need the fill first. Okay, draws eye. Okay, the fill of eye for the first if I need green for the big one. Okay, and after that I need an ellipse with the position of 120 with the 140 y's and the size is 90. Now let's try and run. Okay, this guy here, he did a frog face. Okay, and we need another one is ellipse again with 280 and 140 the same, and size also the same. The difference is only the X position. Okay, reset and run. Okay, it's quite the same, right? And what you have to do next is you need to draw the Y's eyes. Okay, the Y you have to fill another color with the Y's. Okay, and after that you need an ellipse again with the X position is 125. You go down there a little bit, and the Y position you go down too. Okay, so you go down, you have to increase it. Okay, okay, and the size is only I use only 55. Okay, so reset and run. Okay, we got it. And we need another eyes. Here's a live again with the different the X position 275 with the same location of y and psi also the same. Okay, reset and run. Okay, another one is black, so you need to fill black again. Okay, and after that you need two ellipse, this small ellipse here. So now we go to 130x and 150 to make it a little bit down, and the size of it should be around 30. Okay, another ellipse should be 270 with the position of y the same, side the same too. Okay, now reset and run and uncheck the circuit. Okay, now we got the face of frog fully. Okay, completed. Okay, so this code is just only around 20 line. Okay, I hope your guy understand it with this command here. Okay, so this one only 19 block with the command. Okay, if if we do not count this line, we use only around 16 of code of the line of code, and we can draw this guy. Okay, so all of you guys, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and get the notification. Okay, anything or any question, and you can comment and let me know and make the video for you. And see you again in the next challenge.